Hey, beautiful people. I hope you guys are doing well. Just wanted to say happy Tuesday and to remind you that the season is about to change. Fall equinox is just in a day or two, actually, yeah, 2 days. And what do we do every time the season changes? We do a cleanse. So if you guys have been following any of the things I've been doing over the last 6, 7 years, we've been doing seasonal cleanses, and we launched the Palate Reset last year, which is my signature seasonal cleanse. When we've done the Palate Reset, a lot of the work has been you actually creating the meals, doing the work. And we know that a lot of y'all don't want to be in the kitchen cooking. And so what we now have is the Palate Reset Rebooted, where we do all of the heavy lifting for you. So when you jump on the website, thepalatereset.com, what you will be able to do is you will be able to purchase 5 raw food dishes. These are my most popular raw food dishes, and get 5 fresh pressed juices courtesy of Abundantly Natural, and that would be your cleanse bundle. All right. You can also add to that your cleansing herbs if that's something that you desire, or you can just do the meal prep. Some people just want to eat raw for a week. Some people want to do the whole thing. They want to eat raw, they want all the herbs, they want to do the tongue scraping, they want to do all of that. So you can do that. You don't have to now worry about, oh my God, how am I going to make these meals? Who's going to do it for me? Essential Meals to Go is going to handle all of the palate reset, all of the raw foods, all of the cleansing stuff for you. All right. We really wanted to make this seamless and easy for you so that you can have a wonderful cleansing experience and not have to worry about being in the kitchen and doing all the things. All right. So check us out, thepalatereset.com, our done for you seasonal cleanse. All right. And if you have any questions, don't forget, you can always DM me. You can always ask. Talk to you soon.